Welcome guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your JBL Charge 4 speaker. And as you can see, I'm currently connected with my Android phone, everything is fine. And to perform the reset, you have to power on your speaker, and then you have to click and hold the Bluetooth button and volume up button until this connection disappears on your phone and until your speaker just turns off. So take a look. Let's make it right now together. Bluetooth button and the volume up button. Click and hold. As you can see, this frame around the buttons lights up. The speaker is turned off. The connection disappears. And right now, when I power on the speaker and try to connect back with my already connected speaker, I will get the new pairing request. Take a look. As you can see, the device disappeared from the previously connected devices, and right now we are able to pair it another time. So we cannot connect the speaker like previously, we can just pair it. So we will make a new connection, and there it is. As you can see, we pair the speaker with the phone, and yeah, that's how we can make it. So one more time, to hard reset the speaker, you have to use the Bluetooth button and the volume up button together until this frame around the two buttons lights up, and then when the speaker turns off. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.